All object shows take place within the same universe, and I can prove it! So, first of all, Total Fiery Island, that didn't happen. That was a dream thought up by the announcer, and then he went out and tried to make his dream a reality. So he pitched his dream to Adam, and he said, Battle for Dream Island, and Adam was like, okay. And then MePhone 4 and Airy both saw Battle for Dream Island as it aired. And MePhone pitched Inanimate Insanity to Adam, and Adam was like, sure. Adam approved of it. But Airy didn't have the same luck. Airy pitched one to Adam, but Adam said no. And then Airy falls into a spiraling depression, eventually getting into the accident and waking up in his universe. And then 1 takes place at the same time as II Season 1. That's when 1 happens. Controlly from Brawl of the Objects sees Inanimate Insanity as it airs and jumps on the bandwagon. And then dozens of object shows all do the same, from Object Overload, Object Lockdown, Excellent Entities, Object Terror, you know the ones. They all jump on the bandwagon, create their own object shows. Adam has full control at this point, and as we know, Adam is controlled by Steve Cobbs. Anyway, Inanimate Insanity Season 2 and 3 end. I forgot to put a caption for this one, but Battle for Dream Island again, and Island Dream Full Battle, or BFDIA and IDFB, wrap up shortly after. And then Steve Cobbs and Adam lose power over which shows are approved and which shows aren't. And that's thanks to 4. 4 shows up, assumes control over who gets a show and who doesn't, and then BFB begins. After this, 4 is a bit of a dictator, and he decides to only let Algebraian X. That's why there's so many shows where the hosts look like this. It's because of 4. Anyway, 2 shows up, and the BFB split happens. This takes away a lot of power from 4, and now 2 and 4 are about equally matched when it comes to control over who gets a show. BFB. After a while, Teapot ends, and there aren't really any new competition shows for a while. Sorry, I'm getting a call. I said, can I call you back later? There aren't really any new competition shows for a while. People have mostly forgotten about competition shows after the end of the 2 big ones. But then, Grandma appeared one day. And Grandma, oh boy, Grandma, she just reinvigorates the spirit. Joke shows rise to popularity. So many joke shows are propping up, but their popularity is short-lived. There's maybe like 50, 60 joke shows all happening simultaneously, and then joke shows fall out of popularity, all the major joke shows end, and this is the end of the object show timeline. If you disagree, that's okay, just know that you're wrong. Alright. This was a very short video, but, you know, I thought it was fun to make, and I put a lot of work into thinking up how all of this would work. I originally had a timeline of, like, years. Like, there was AF, which stood for after 4, DF, which stood for during 4, and BF, which stood for before 4, but I decided to get rid of that aspect because I don't think it made any sense. Anyway, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or don't, and feel free to share your own opinions on how you think, I was wrong, and then I'll delete your comments.